Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to talk about Ramsipil. Yes, guys, we need to give Ramsipil his flowers when they argue. Okay, I know there are times where he pisses us off when it comes to the Senzo Mewa case and his way of doing things. He's not, yeah, but he's more of a reserved person than the rest of us. But before we get into doing that, guys, please make sure that you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you will be supporting this channel financially and in numbers, and I can't thank you enough. Now, let's talk about Uram. Oh, before that, guys, don't forget, engagement is key on social media, okay? Please engage, 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 and make sure, all right? Thank you. Now, let's talk about Uramsipile. Guys, Uramsipile has been showing us, Uguti, he's a guy that was brought up well at home. He's very well mannered, guys. No, that guy is very well mannered. That I give to him. He's very well mannered. Uramsipile is not one that you would mix with nonsense. He can't deal with nonsense. He has his ways of doing things. Sometimes we don't agree with them, but he was brought up well. That I can give to him. I will give respect for Oram Sipile for introducing Umgomezolo to this case when he saw that that particular part of doing a trial within a trial was not his strong point. He was like, I need help. Not many guys would do that. Men are not particularly people that can actually do that. But Oram Sipile was like, no, I'm not doing this. I'm not going to expose myself like that. It's fine. Let me get someone who is going to assist. And also, the other time that we saw, I'm sure there's probably a lot of times. The other time that we saw that he knows his strengths. He does know his strengths is when he was doing the cross-examination and then Mnisi took over. And we were so unhappy with him and everything. We felt like there's a lot of things that he did not ask. However, he showed that I know my strengths, right? Yes, I'm a lawyer, blah blah blah. But guys, I know my strengths. The way he was assisting Mnisi, even during this time, he is still assisting Mnisi. Him and Normal, they are busy assisting, reminding him, no, that's not what it is. No, this is what it was, blah 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 blah. Now, that shows how he was brought up by his parents. He is a man that needs to be like, this needs to be said out loud. Ramsipile Mfethu, if you see this Budwami, flowers to you. You deserve them some flowers, please. Guys, when you are watching this video, please make sure you like and like and like on behalf of Umgomezulu, on behalf of Uramsipili, because wow, Uramsipili is a man of, he has his own caliber, man, guys. Yo, and then one thing that now I felt like on Friday, I was happy when he got up and said, oh, no, it was not on Friday. I don't know, was it on Wednesday or Thursday? Somewhere there. During the cross-examination of Umnesi, there, Judge Rata is misquoting what had happened when it comes to General Shebane. Misquoting the entire situation and not saying it as it happened. That time, he is a man that always tells us, I listen in this courtroom. I know what happens here. I know the evidence. But now, he's misquoting. And it's not the first time, and I'm sure it's not the last that he's misquoting things and how they happened. He would say what he wants to say. I don't know why he does that as someone who has a sharp memory, because he has shown that he is an old man who has a sharp memory and who indeed remembers. It's just that he makes me feel like, well, he remembers when it feels like it to him. So Ramsipile gets up and be like, no, my lord, that is not how the Lishabane situation happened. Lishabane did not come to court because the state said he is on the list of their witnesses. So he could not come. Umgomezulu ended up not being able to call him. And I think he mentioned something about a letter that was written by Lishabane stating that, yes, the meeting did happen between Uzungu, Usbia, the accused, and Usbia, the general, and myself. I think there was a letter that is explaining that, if I'm not mistaken. But what I'm loving is that when they were trying to say it was Ngomezulu's fault, he was like, we're not going to do that when he is underground. We are not going to do that on Ngomezulu's name. He stood up and spoke on behalf of Ngomezulu. He stood up and spoke on behalf of Ngomezulu and was like, I'm not about to allow my brother's memory to be like that. And I remember the reason I say he is in his own caliber. I remember during the funeral of Mngomezulu, I don't know, he was saying something about the judge and everyone. And then he was like, guys, we are not going to behave like that. When he mentioned Judge Rata, people were booing that name, booing the judge. And he was like, no, 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 that's not how we behave. So that for me made me see Ramsipile in a different light. Like he's a man that was raised well at home, and we need to say things about someone while they're still alive. He's such a good guy. He's such a good guy because wow, I was so impressed. I do not want to lie by him standing up for Umgo like that. I was so impressed. I don't want to lie, guys. I don't know about you, but you really left an impression on me. I was very impressed by that. I was like, wow, Ramsipile. I was like, wow, Ramsipile. What a man. Yeah, but so I thought I'm not gonna be passing by this weekend without mentioning that. It's worth mentioning. What do you think about him and his character? Forget the times that he will do things that pisses us off, but let's talk about the man's character, guys. The man's character, no, he's got one gem. He's God given. What are your thoughts when it comes to that? Let's talk comment section. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you guys for being part of the channel. Please do not forget, engagement is key on social media, and we need you guys to engage. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and do the super thanks and all of that, Shandy. But it's helping the channel to grow. Currently, we are on 12,700, I think, 700 or 600 and something subscribers. So I'm hoping that by the end of June, we will be on 15K subscribers. So please make sure that you do not forget, guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment. That engagement is key for this channel's growth. Please, 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 please. Thank you so much. You are very much appreciated on this channel. I honestly would have never got to where I am in a space of a year if it was not for you. Some people struggled to get to 12, to even 1,000 subscribers sometimes in a space of a year. But me, in a space of 1 year, I managed to get to 12,700 subscribers. So thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now enjoy your day and make this video wild. Send it everywhere you can. I would really appreciate you doing that. And go bye-bye.